Hello friends, in this video, let us discuss about quadratic probing. In the previous videos, we learned about linear probing, which is one method to handle and avoid collision. Here, if any collision occurs, we are linearly checking for the available index one by one. So in linear probing, if any collision occurs, the formula to calculate the new key value is f of x equal to x plus I mod size where I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And what is the disadvantage here? As we are placing elements linearly, once collision occurs, the consecutive elements will form a cluster. So after that, it will be very hard to find the next available index. And also, if the cluster has many elements, it will be hard to search for an element. And we can eliminate this issue by using quadratic probing. In quadratic probing, instead of looking for the next slot, we are looking for the next I square slot. That is, if the required index is not available, what did we do in linear probing? We will check the immediate next slot, and if it is also not available, we will check the next slot, like that. But in quadratic probing, if collision occurs, we will check the next slot first, and if it is not available, then we will check the slot after two square elements, that is the fourth slot. And if it is also not available, we will check the slot after three square elements, that is like that. So it will avoid the cluster by distributing elements in various indices. So in quadratic probing, if any collision occurs, the formula to calculate the new key value is f of x equal to x plus I square mod size where I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So there is no chance of clustering and it will make the searching process easier. Also, finding the next available index will also be easy in quadratic probing.